Welcome to Auto Trend, where we explore the most iconic and legendary cars of all time. Today, we're diving into an absolute classic of the Ford Torino Cobra Jet from 1960. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a symbol of raw American muscle and performance excellence. Buckle up, because this journey is going to be exhilarating. The Ford Torino Cobra Jet was designed to be a powerhouse, and it didn't disappoint. With its high-performance 428 Cobra Jet V8 engine, it delivered thrilling horsepower and incredible torque, making it a force to be reckoned with on the streets and the drag strip. It was a car built for speed enthusiasts, embodying the perfect blend of power and style. Its exterior design is striking, with clean lines and an aggressive stance that demands attention. The sleek bodywork, bold grille, and aerodynamic silhouette gave it a distinctive and commanding presence. The interior was equally impressive, offering a driver-focused design with premium materials and a sporty feel, ensuring every ride was an unforgettable experience. The Ford Torino Cobra Jet wasn't just a car, it was a statement. It represented an era when American automakers were pushing boundaries and delivering cars that could dominate on the road and track. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates timeless design and engineering, the Torino Cobra Jet is a car that deserves its legendary status. Thank you for tuning into Auto Trend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible automotive stories. Let us know in the comments what you think about this Ford classic and what cars you'd like to see featured next. See you in the next episode.